Okay, guys, we got Razor85 here opening a box of 2009-2010 Series 1. What do you say, buddy?
I said some Tavares mojo.
Let's see some Tavares. Let's go. Tavares High Gloss, number to 10. $24 packs.
Side.
Brought to you by Chippendales. Oh, not much room, eh? Lots of cards in the pack. Be careful if you guys use scissors.
Sticky. Sticky.
Sticky. That's what we got. Boom Boom Base.
Hope for not too much.
You don't see too many hobby packs with just regular base cards in them. What do we see? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, Marty Brodeur. Let me see. Marty Brodeur, Hockey Heroes. They had a Crosby last year. I wonder if you can get the autograph versions like last year. Painting.
Had paintings last year?
Yeah, Crosby ones, yeah. Autograph number to 87, I think. Boom Boom Base.
Same other good ones for the end. I hope. Oh, yeah. Love it.
Oh, that's a real good one. Yeah, I forgot about him. James Van Riemsdyk. There you go. The Flyers. That's a very solid rookie right there. Good job. Yeah, that's a good one.
Still looking for one specific rookie.
Yes, Tavares. There's 10 different ways to pronounce that name.
Yep. Jeremy
McGinley, Top Guns. Top Guns. Iggy. Want to see some mojo. Oh, all-world team. Marty Brodeur, all-world team. Numbered? No, not numbered. And they got a lot of different new. There's some new ones this year. All-world team. Well, they always have the all-world team.
Oh yeah, yeah, I've seen it before. Yeah. Is that cool?
Boom Boom Base.
That's great.
Get one rookie so far, right? Just James Van Riemsdyk.
I don't know what that is.
It's just one, yeah.
Just one.
Box or something. Oh, it's a surprise for Jack.
Oh.
Mike Santorelli.
Mike Santorelli, Young Gun. Yeah, sorry for the blur, guys. Mike Santorelli for the Preds.
Here, Mr. Scissors. Oh, yeah, that's right.
They're dull. They've seen many a box.
Yes, they have.
Oh, what's that?
Draft Day Gems.
Draft Day Gems, Evgeny Nabokov.
Yeah, there is a lot more different ones.
Yeah, that's a new one. Yep. Draft Day Gems. Oh my God!
Oh, there she is.
There she is, John Tavares, Young Guns rookie card.
All right.
Oh wow!
That's what I'm talking about.
That's the mojo we've been looking for, guys. John Tavares, and he's got the sweats going on.
Nice.
Wow. John Tavares, Young Guns rookie card.
Doesn't matter what else we see after that.
Yep.
Wow.
A beauty. John Tavares, Young Guns rookie card.
Well,
that's what we wanted.
it was a good decision, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes, it was.
Beautiful card. Plus the James Van Riemsdyk, man, that is just crazy.
Well, let's see what else we got. It doesn't
really matter much.
Top Guns.
A nice Malkin Top Guns. Gino.
Wow.
Beauty.
Well, we
Well,
got her.
well,
we
well.
got her.
Yes, sir.
Now it's gotta send it in and get signed.
Oh, yeah, right. Would actually lower the
Yeah,
value.
probably. Come back freaking crunkled in two. Sean, you ever got a hold of it?
Oh, game jersey of
Marion Gabrick.
Gabrick.
All around him over his bush.
Marion Gabrick.
Nice guy.
Game jersey.
Nice.
Not bad, not bad. Definitely not a common player.
Nope.
Pop goes the weed.